What's up, guys? Mike back here with another video. I was out for a ride on the ZX4 and I came across another couple of bikes parked up here at the mall, so I had to make a quick video. There's my ZX4 double R. It's a 2025 edition. The silver and black. Next best thing to the KRT, I guess. Yeah. It's the 390 KTM. It's another good starter bike from what I hear. What do you think about this color? I'm not a huge fan of the front end there. It just looks a little outdated in my opinion. It's just got like different oranges on it. Overall, not a bad looking bike. Then we got the SS over here. I'm guessing this is a 300 CF Moto. For today's purposes, we're going to pretend that this is a 300. Nice little starter bike. It looks like it's been laid down over on the side here. Got a bent up lever there as well as some damaged side. Oh, there's what is the brake lever. That's usually the first thing goes, of course. Not a bad looking bike though overall. What do you think about the colorway on this one? The front end's definitely a lot better. I kind of do like the front end on these CF Motos. They're really shooting for some aggressive styling with these bikes. They're up and coming from the big four, the Japanese. What I love about the ZX4 is that inline four. For those of you, if you know, you know. It sings and screaming, it sounds amazing. You can't really beat it for a starter bike. In my opinion, this is going to be the best sounding bike starting bike that you can get. Still at 399 cc's, not going anywhere too crazy, but it sounds just beautiful. Which one would you pick out of these? If you had to go for your starter bike this riding season, which would you pick? I'll catch you guys in the next one.